Over your head. Literally, there are so many options out there for materials, but the key is picking one that will last and keep you safe. This morning, Lori Clark, the owner of Right Way Roofing, is here to talk about the materials that they use. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Always good to see you. So tell us a little bit about Right Way Roofing.
Well, Right Way was started almost 20 years ago now, coming up on 20 years here, when my husband and I branched off from my husband's grandfather's company, who was one of the first roofing companies out here in Arizona that he started in 1963.
Wow, a lot of history and tradition there. So what types of roofs do you do?
We do all types of roof. We do shingles, we do tile, we do foam, we even do walking decks.
Wow, so the list goes on of what you do. And a big question a lot of people ask, do you sub out jobs or are your crews all employees?
Never. We never sub anybody out. Everybody that we have is an employee of Right Way Roofing.
So tell us about the material that you use because that is very important.
So on tile, the material that we use as an underlayment is actually a modified bitumen, which most people use all by itself on a flat roof, which is why we're able to offer the 30-year warranty that we do. I mean, it's a bulletproof lifetime roof system. In fact, these other products that they have out there, such as the 40-pound felt and the synthetics they have, are not even waterproof. They're meant to shed water, but if you were to make like a bowl out of them, the water would seep through. Our product is 100% waterproof. It's a very thick rubberized asphalt material with granules on top of it, and it's protected by the tile. So it's literally a lifetime system, and it is waterproof, and it's Class A fire rated as well.
Well, speaking of water, that brings us to this question. What do we as homeowners need to do to prepare for the rain that will eventually come here in Arizona?
Well, don't wait. That's what I have to say. After the extreme heat and the temperatures that we've had, if you're already having a problem and you know the edges are starting to peel up under those eaves or any type of problem that you know you're having up there, as soon as it rains, the roofers, it's been so slow, we're not going to be able to keep up. So get it looked at now before these rains come. It's going to be crazy when we get our first good downpour.
Well, on top of that, what else do you do differently than other roofing companies?
A lot of the things that we do that sets us aside from the other companies is the way we do our flashings. For example, on a dead valley, code requires a minimum of modified bitumen. Well, we use our modified bitumen, of course, in the dead valley, but then we cover it with sheet metal. Because the dead valleys is where a lot of people, it's a problem area. It's a high flow area and can be a problem area. We have to make it last a lifetime, which our roof is a lifetime system. Also, around chimneys and skylights, we do the flashings to where we're making a little water slide all the way down to the edge of the roof instead of the old traditional way to do it, which it was supposed to roll down over the underlayment. So all the little things we do, the roof has to last a minimum of 30 years. So all the little things that we do have to hold up to that.
All right, Lori, well, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all that you do.
Thank you for having me. It was great to see you again.
Good to see you. And for more information, visit azroof.com or call the number on your screen.